Hey everyone, Selena here. Welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. Today we're diving into the Husqvarna Automower 415X, a robotic lawnmower that's been a game changer for your yard. Available on Amazon, this little machine promises a pristine lawn with minimal effort. Let's break down what makes it shine, a few quirks to consider, and why I think it's worth your investment. First off, the Automower 415 is a dream for anyone who wants a manicured lawn without the sweat. Its GPS-assisted navigation is a standout feature. It maps your yard and mows in a smart pattern, ensuring every inch is covered. I've got about a half-acre lot with some tricky slopes, and this mower handles them like a champ, tackling inclines up to 40%. The setup is surprisingly user-friendly too. With the included boundary wire and pegs, I had it ready in a few hours after watching a couple of online tutorials. The Husqvarna Automower Connect app is a game changer. From my phone, I can schedule mowing times, adjust the cutting height between about 3/4 of an inch to 2 inches, and even set up no-go zones for things like Halloween decorations. It's like having a personal lawn assistant. Another big win is how quiet it is. Unlike gas-powered mowers, the 415X hums along at just 62 decibels, so I can run it early in the morning without waking the neighbors. The 3 razor-sharp blades on a rotating disc cut grass finely, leaving clippings that fertilize the lawn naturally. My yard looks lush and even, and my neighbors keep asking my secret. Plus, it's eco-friendly, running on a rechargeable lithium-ion battery with 0 emissions during use. It mows for about 50 minutes, covers 680 square feet per hour, and automatically returns to its charging station when the battery's low. Now, no product's perfect, so let's talk about a couple of cons. The initial setup, while doable, can be time-consuming if your yard has complex borders. I had to tweak the boundary wire in a narrow spot where the mower got stuck. Also, the blades need replacing every 4 to 6 weeks, which is easy, but adds a small ongoing cost. For thicker grass like St. Augustine, you'll need to mow it short first, or the 415X might struggle. Lastly, it doesn't edge, so you'll still need a trimmer for those crisp lines. Despite these minor drawbacks, I wholeheartedly recommend the Husqvarna Automower 415. It's reliable, smart, and saves me hours every week. The app's control, GPS navigation, and quiet operation make it a premium choice for small to medium yards. If you value convenience and a flawless lawn, this is the mower for you. For the best pricing and special promotional deals, check out the link below to grab the Automower 415 on Amazon through Rick's Review Hub. Want more lawn care reviews? Head to our channel for videos on similar products like the Works Landroid and RoboMow. Thanks so much for watching, folks. If you found this helpful, please like, share, or subscribe to keep up with all things tech and home at Rick's Review Hub. See you next time.